If you've been thinking about the Vermont Chalky Paint ProPack and not sure how exactly that works, well, you are in the right spot. I'm Sarah Spencer. I'm the founder and CEO of Vermont Chalky Paint. It's a non-toxic decorative paint that's manufactured and made here in Vermont. We have some neutral colors and we also have some brighter colors to join into our color palette with Vermont Chalky Paint's ProPacks. If you're looking for an antique white, you can't go wrong with our Statehouse White ProPack. In this instance, we clean the cabinet door. Now, if you want a factory finish, sand the door, do your primer, and yes, our ProPacks work great in a paint sprayer. But in my instance, I wanted a distressed look, so I went ahead, put out my round brush, put out my Statehouse White. I did 3 coats on this, very light coats. Don't feel that you're going to cover it in one sitting. And I really like how it turned out. Then I took my Cocoa Cafe and I did a little bit of drizzle. Shake it well, and a little goes a long way. Grabbed my round brush again and I rubbed it into the cabinet door, and immediately I wiped it with my baby wipe to get the excess paint off so that it would sit into those corners and crevices and really give the cabinet some depth. When I was finished, I let it completely dry. I put on our clear coat, which is a non-toxic substitute for polyurethane, and I was ready to hang. If you'd like more information, head out to our website for our blogs and more materials at vermontchalkypaint.com.